Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we had a repair on a Sony home audio system, which model is HCDSHAKEX10. Upon our testing, it has a problem on Protect 01. So let's check and open. This Sony home audio system is a type of this one. And when we check in the power amp section, we found this one, a malfunction fan, a DC fan. So maybe that's the reason why it's protect. After a few minutes of operation, this type of amplifier is a Class D type, which is digital. These two filter capacitors and two coils with this one is connected going to the output of our amplifier. So we will open this board and check. We will remove this upper side of the circuit. Then we release this flex connection. Okay. Upon my checking, I got tested with this fan supply. The 12-volt supply is good. Then I finally decided to replace this DC fan. So we will open this one and remove. Then we remove this supply connection. This is the actual size of our DC fan. So, but first we will remove and check the amp section. Then we remove this one, the flex connection that came from the mainboard control. Okay, we already removed, and the supply is removed also. We have to unscrew this heatsink. Check, since the board is clean and no corrosion. Okay, and then we check also this one. Oh, we get to clean this area. Okay, we already clean, and I decided to put another type of DC fan with the same voltage, a 12 volt type. Since we don't have the right size, I will place the fan near the circuit so it can give a cooling for our driver IC. Now it's working. Okay, after a few hours of testing, Protect01 is no more and cooling is working fine. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates on my coming videos and repair. This is the model of our home audio system. Okay, thank you.